Okay, number 1, determine the standard deduction for the following taxpayers. Unless indicated, none are blind and none can be claimed as a dependent on another return. So single, age 45, should be $13,850. Okay.
Determine the standard deduction for the following taxpayers. Unless indicated, none are blind or may claim as dependent on another return. Married filing jointly, 32 and 27. I got 27.
Yes, that's correct. Number 3.
Determine the standard deduction for the following taxpayers. Unless indicated, not blind, or it can be claimed as a dependent on another return. Married filing separate, age 52, spouse itemized. Standard deduction for 0.
0 is right. Yep. If your spouse itemizes deductions, you don't get a standard deduction. Using the tax tables or the tax computation worksheet, determine the tax for the following taxpayers. So if we're single and our taxable income is $9,825, we're going to look for the box. The 9,000 box. We're going to look to between 9,800 and 9,850. And our tax for single is $983.
For tax computation worksheet, determine the tax for the following taxpayers. Married filing separate, taxable income 70,300. I got 11,800.
That looks right. And then Dan?
Which of the following is an example of a deduction that can be itemized on Schedule A? It's C, charitable contribution.
That's correct. And number 7, what should a taxpayer do if their spouse itemizes on a separate return? And the answer is they must itemize as well. Number 8.
When is it, I don't have this one. When is it more advantageous for a taxpayer to itemize deductions rather than taking the standard? When it's going to benefit them.
Yes. Which means that one's going to be bigger than the other.
So when the itemized deductions exceed the standard?
Yes.
Okay.
You want the biggest deduction you can get. So if your itemized deductions are less than your standard deduction, then you want to take the standard instead. Okay, Dan, number 9.
What is the standard deduction amount for a single filer? 13,000.
Correct. And then finally, using the tax tables or tax computation worksheet, determine the tax for the following taxpayer, head of household, taxable income $175,000. Okay. So let's.
So it would be 175,000 times 0.24, right?
Yep. So we're going to go down to. Yep. This is the first row in this section D. So we multiply by 0.24, and then the correction factor is we subtract 8,206. And we get 33,794. All right, good job.